Hello friends and welcome back to my channel. Today I am taking you into my favorite Christmas store of all time, Hobby Lobby. I am so excited to be back in this store to look at all the Christmas items they have. I know it's only October, but the way things go nowadays, things get bought up real quickly before Christmas even starts. And so I wanted to show you and give you an overview of what's in the store right now that I went into. First of all, I see this beautiful buffalo check Christmas display, farmhouse style, black and white. I love everything on this display. Obviously, I cannot buy everything on this display, but I had a hard time choosing what I might want. There's also a deer that is a black and white buffalo check, but he is not with the display. I'll show you later. I love this vintage Santa. Beautiful. Again, another gorgeous vintage display that they have here. And of course, here we have the pickup truck with the tree in it. That's been around a couple seasons now. And if you look at this plaque there, wooden sign, this is a hologram. Kind of an old-fashioned Christmas sign with a hologram. Oh, I love these ceramic trees. They come in green also. This whole display is really cute. And I think this sign's going to have to come home with me. All of this red and white candy style decor that they have. Those trees, I've tried to make those trees with real candies. They are very difficult to make. I think it's better to buy one. This is too cute. And I love these beautiful gingerbread homes. They're very substantial in size. I love all of this gingerbread home decor that they have. These stacked cookie Christmas trees, those are so cute. I think this blue one might have to come with me also. Hobby Lobby just does this stuff so well. And look at these, Grinch and Dr. Seuss artwork. I don't remember if they had this last year. I was pleasantly surprised to find this. If you have a child and you want to decorate their room for Christmas, what a neat idea. Cat in a hat. Too cute. Here are some Santa Christmas ornaments. And if you look here, look at these gifts. These would be perfect with one of those Grinch artwork pieces. You could put the artwork up, set it on a table, set some of these gifts around it. They really have that same type of style. Here are some beautiful pieces, maybe for your fireplace or for a large wall you might have. And I really like this angel. She's very tall. That is a big angel. And the woodland Santas, I really love those. Old world and woodland Santas. And here are some more. This one I think might have to come home with me. I have in my mind another style that I saw on the web, but I can't remember if it was at Hobby Lobby or another store. So I may have to duck into a different Hobby Lobby and see if they have the one that I'm thinking of. These beautiful farmhouse pillows in black and white. Those are gorgeous. And these signs. Some of these, they have like a woodland farmhouse, but they also have glitter on them too down here. And look at these. This is like glam meets farmhouse meets woodland. I want one of those too. Oh, help me. I want everything. These skates are really cute with the fur on them. If you see those birch logs underneath there, I did a DIY last year that I will link in the video. I used those. If you'd like to see that, I'll link it. And here's one of the reasons why I love Hobby Lobby is because they have all of this beautiful artwork that celebrates the reason for the season, which is the birth of Christ. Fall on your knees. If you notice these crowns, I think they tell the story of Christmas. And precious moments, look at that. I know they sell these here. I don't see them much anywhere else anymore. It's nice to know they still have them. All the different nativity pieces. Here's some folk art type nativity pieces. The snow globes. And the little snow globes. And there is that deer I was looking for. He is way up there. He is not with the rest of his display. This is string art. Isn't that cute? I see a lot of that now in different designs. I thought that was neat. Check out these milk bottles, milk for Santa. Aren't those cute? And look at these mugs. We've got the pickup truck, and there's a van back there, and a camper. And up front here, there's a station wagon. I really liked those. I thought those were cool. Beautiful trees with cardinals. Marshmallow pick. Those are marshmallows. I think they had those last year, but I thought those were cool. And of course the nutcrackers. They always have an awesome nutcracker display. And look at these guys. You can write and count down the days till Christmas with them. Well, that is my overview of what I saw at Hobby Lobby this year. I really appreciate your taking the time to watch the video. And if you like what you've seen and would like to see more, please don't forget to subscribe. And thank you for watching.